Hi viewers, welcome to Super Gadgets. Today I will install UV glass on Edge phone Xiaomi Note 10 Lite. Before starting this video, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon, then click to all to get all notifications of my interesting videos. Let's open the box. Here is UV lamp and glue. And right here is UV curved glass. I strongly recommend this glass for Edge phones because if you install simple glass on this, phone's touch sensor does not respond properly. But if you install UV glass, you will not feel any layer on your phone and you will feel you are using real phone without any layering. This is because touch responds amazing with this glass cover. Let's clean the phone screen and then install UV glass.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask in comment section below. I will reply you soon. I hope you like this video, so hit the like button and show your love on subscribe button by clicking on bell icon. Keep supporting me for more informative videos. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. Links are given below in the description. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.